Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Remington MB-200 Titanium Mustache and Beard Trimmer, Black. In any case, this is piece of crap, sorry about that, but that is what it is. It replaces an old one of the same model that would no longer hold a charge. The hinge is to allow you to open the top and clean out the hair around the driving pin. It'll definitely last long enough, but you gotta plug it in, or else you're going to run dry in the middle of a trim. It would be nice if this had a better battery life indicator, but for the price you can't really beat it. This beard trimmer would be okay, except that after 6 months the battery is worthless. The value for the price is excellent, and so far it's held the charge well. Cons: battery gave out after 18 months. If you are looking for a trimmer to get close to your face, this is not the one. The charging light lights up green when plugged in, but it only tries to turn on for a few moments, and fizzles out whether it is plugged in or not. Also, they do not have a replacement for the head. You have to buy a whole new shaver. Not only does it not work very well, it has the durability of something you'd buy at the flea market. Big mistake. If you don't love this thing, return it, and buy another company's brand. You have here everything in only one piece. And is safe. You don't have to worry about scratches in your face, or something. That's right, if your battery is dead you can't do squat with it. You have to leave it charging for a full day first. This trimmer charges quickly in about 4 hours, works over a week on a charge. It seems to hold its charge for quite a while, and cleans up quite easily. No need to hassle with individual attachable guide combs to choose the length of hair you want to cut. There are YouTube videos on how to replace the batteries with little difficulty, so if you need it to be cordless it's fairly easy to do. If you are like me, and have tried a lot of other trimmers, appreciate thoughtful product design, and like to own the best, this product is for you. Much more convenient than replacing guards for different lengths, and much more fine-grained control of length. The power adapter isn't one where you can run the thing while plugged in. You have to wait for the battery to charge. A great company like Remington that has designed a beautifully functional trimmer should be ashamed of building in obsolescence in this manner. Very sudden power drop to snagging hair to charging for 10 minutes before you can finish. It does take a number of passes to get the job done, but the end results are good. It was a good trimmer with plenty of length options, and has been easy to maintain. That light doesn't change, or go out, so you really have no idea when it's done charging. It's always on setting 1, which cuts closest to the face, and it does a very good job. Overall, it does the job it was built to do in a very quick and efficient way, and no hair pulling at all. This product was assumingly purchased as new. It was received opened, and with hair in the blades, and the inner part of the body. This one works well enough, though you do have to keep going over the same areas to get a consistent level. This works great for a while, but when the batteries wear out, there is no easy way to replace them. It's been getting worse, and today it finally got to the point where it's no longer able to do its job, and is garbage. The charge time is longer than ideal, but if you remember to plug it in the night before, you shouldn't have any issues. It would also be nice to have a battery indicator, but again, if you remember to charge sufficiently, it shouldn't be an issue. What's the point of having a shaver that doesn't do what it's supposed to do? Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.